plug into the diagnostic socket. Perform a zero setting first to calibrate the sensors. For this, the C-leg user should stand upright. It will light up green. For maximum load, place the weight of the entire body on. The user should feel the stabilizing effect of the stance phase flexion resistance. To finally adjust the maximum load, the user should walk a couple of steps within parallel bars and check the toe load, whilst if necessary, make further adjustments. In order to adjust the swing phase, watch the prosthesis swing when walking freely and adjust the movement resistances. For safety reasons, the patient should stand still while making. Adjust flexion operation with a dynamic factor. This should adjust the extension resistance. Activate the slider control knee angle threshold in order to test the stance phase stability and swing phase dynamics on different surfaces. The hydraulic flexion resistance of the C-leg carries the user's body weight, and this is especially noticeable on slopes or when walking down stairs. The user must practice the full flow of motion in order to gain experience and confidence. They will feel the reassuring stabilizing effect of the stance phase resistance. Check the adjusted value and try out. Next, check stance and swing phase performance whilst walking and increase the difficulty level. Here, the automatic speed adjustment is shown. When the user walks, prescribing an inward circle, the potential can be best seen. A special second mode can also be set up for specific activities. Locked knee for standing to a completely free knee for activities such as bicycling. In order to switch between activity modes, the user puts load on the forefoot by tapping 3 times and then lifting the extended prosthesis. Now, for example, bicycling is easily possible using the second activity mode without flexion resistance. Switching back to the first mode is achieved in exactly the same way. In order to record the setup values, we recommend using the Lassar posture system. All adjustments. It is important to train the user to use the battery charger every night. The user information documents contain important user information and safety instructions, which should also be fully explained and understood by the user. If necessary, at the end of the fitting, carry out any final adjustments and watch how the user reacts to the change.